Cause and effect, our last one. It says this type of text shows the reader the relationship between something that happened and why it happened. Why something happened is the cause, and I'm going to underline that. As an adult, I really still need to think about this. What happened is the effect. So that's something important. So we need to be asking ourselves those two questions out of all this. Sometimes one cause can result in many effects. For example, a tornado can cause power to go out, damage to a house and buildings, as well as harm people. So our cause or our effects, our cause would be right here, tornado, and then these would be all the effects. Damage to the house, people being harmed, and power going out. Okay? Then it says sometimes there might be many causes that result in one effect. For example, if you water your garden, fertilize it, and it gets enough sun, your garden will grow well. So the effect in this one is garden growing well. My causes are water, fertilizer, and getting enough sun. Does that make sense? Okay. All right. So we have our signal words. So, because, since, therefore, if then, due to, as a result, for this reason, this led to. So those are the words that we should be listening for. All right, ready for your last one? Okay, go ahead.
There are many adventures a squid has because of its abilities to do with some awesome things with the coloring and lighting of its body. Many squids have what is called photoros,
Okay.
which are cells that create light within its body covering. This lighting, known as bioluminescence, creates different patterns of its skin. As a result of these changing patterns help the squid in many ways. It assists the squid in attracting a mate, so it can successfully reproduce. It also protects them by frightening off its predators. Some pattern of its skin can also lure the squid's prey, helping it catch its food. It's amazing how
One adaption.
one adaptation can help an animal survive in so many ways.
So when you guys are in science talking about habitats and adaptions that animals make, you can think back to the squid and this bioluminescence. Okay, so we kind of give it away down here at the bottom that we've got one cause and that we've got three effects, because that's the way your page is set up. Okay. So it says, use your blue highlighter to highlight the effects. So we're going to use your blue pen. So what are the effects from bioluminescence? What are the effects that we want to underline? So I'm going to tell you it's down here in the bottom, because this one's a little harder. I want you to go down here where it says, as a result. And we're going to underline this, as a result. So what are some results of that squid being able to change colors? What are some effects? So you should be looking down here. Hint, 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 hint. Once again, some of my peeps that have not uttered a word. Parker, did you find something, buddy?
These changing patterns help squids do many things.
Are you down here?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's one of the things that the changing patterns help with?
It
Assists
assists the squids
in attracting.
in a male.
Okay, so it assists the squid in attracting a mate. Okay, what's another thing it does? That changing color. What's another thing? Hint, hint, hint. Be looking down here. Amelia.
Can help them catch food.
So lure a squid's prey, so it helps them catch food. Yep. That's 2. We need 1 more. Jack.
It also protects them by fighting off its predators.
Yep. Helps. It also protects by frightening off its predators. Okay, so with your green, our cause is this big word right here, bioluminescence. So that's our cause. So once again, you can put your finger right here to write that word where it says cause, so you don't have to keep looking up at the board. You should have it underlined and you should be able to transfer it to cause. Bioluminescence. And then when you are done, you are going to write each of your effects, long paper, in these stars. So one effect is frightening predators, another effect is luring prey, and our last effect is attracting a mate. So we can put those 3 things in here. So I'll try and shorten them up for you. Attracting mate. Frightens predators.